I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin at major overhead resistance, potentially the 200 simple moving average is just overhead. We have a lot to talk about in this video. Make sure to watch it all the way to the end. We have a major buy signal that just flashed. Huge. However, there can be a delay. And will we see Bitcoin pull back first? These questions will be answered in today's video. Remember, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 6 days. All you have to do for a chance to win, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Boom, free Bitcoin. Let's go. All right, so this Bitcoin daily chart. Bitcoin has had some amazing days of positive price action. Now, the question is, this 200 simple moving average, remember, when Bitcoin's able to break above this and hold this level, things change. However, you have to think, okay, could this be a bearish retest, right? And so, again, there's always something that Bitcoin has left to prove. However, there has to be major ideas where in your mind you put them in the forefront of what you're going to do and how you're going to make your decisions. And so with Bitcoin, one of these things to focus on is breakouts of major patterns, okay? And so as an example, this was a breakout of this pattern. In your head, you have to say, okay, like I've got to trade what the charts are telling me, okay? Then you got this retest, right? And so these are ideas that we talked about for entries on Bitcoin. Previously here, we talked about this idea where there's this rising wedge, right? And you got a major breakdown. You know, some people took profits here, and then next thing you know, they're FOMOing back up into the move here, which turned out to be a lower high and led to this huge drawdown, right? So you have to kind of stick to your guns. It doesn't always play out immediately, right? And so when you're taking profits and you're buying these cryptos, I want you to scale in and scale out, buy and sell in percentages, right? But sometimes it takes a week, 2 weeks, a month or more to realize that, hey, taking profits at certain areas or buying in at certain areas is going to equate to substantial gains or you know, missing losses, missing drawdowns. But the most important thing here on the weekly chart is that, you know, Bitcoin's got to break above this. I mean, this measured move is still in place, right? 47,341. And unless this breaks back down into this pattern, this is still in place. But, I mean, could we see a pullback to support? It would be healthy. If we got a pullback to 41,000, this would be the new potential buy idea. Or you know, I don't know if we're going to get a pullback to 38,000, but that would be a better buy. This trend line that I've added, I mean, we talked about how this broke out previously. And, you know, if you get a pullback to this trend line, that would be a buy idea. But you have some possible bearish divergence ideas on the higher term timeframes. But this starts with, it would be confirmed with a move lower out of Bitcoin, right? So you have to get like some red candles closing in order to confirm this bearish divergence playing out. This is the 1 hour chart. And I posted on Twitter, I posted in group to watch, you know, move coming soon, right? This actually moved higher, put in this like little double top, and now broke this trend line. Okay, so now we're watching for, if this bearish retest is confirmed, I'm looking for downside. You know, potentially we see a move down here in this area, all right, to this order block. Okay, so again, this market likes to take the most amount of money from the most amount of people. I'm looking for a Bitcoin move over the next 24 hours. Okay, Asia waking up, weekly candle close, daily candle close, it's all about to happen. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, his portfolio is up $5,000 this week. He said, oh, he actually made another $700 on polls, like a quick jump in, jump out setup that we had as well. He can't thank me enough. And this is amazing. This is why I do this, right? To make you guys successful. This person, he jumped in Hedgic. So we had a Hedgic trade. It was posted on Twitter. Make sure, go over to Twitter. Follow me there. CryptoBTC_Chris. So this person started out, he made the quickest 3,000 ever in 15 minutes on this Hedgic trade. It pumped immediately. This person, again, not all his trading days are winners. I mean, he's up $57,000 total in a week, but not every day is going to be a green day, Again, huge gains in the trading group. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetime. You've got to make it count. I'm going to make sure in the best, most profitable trading setups, period. I'm going to go over some of these setups that I've been posting on Twitter so you can see. Like, dude, it's amazing. If you're interested in joining my cryptocurrency trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net. If you pay with cryptocurrency for 6 months or 12 months, it's 50% off. If you pay for the year, you get 1 additional month for free. You can always choose to pay on a monthly basis from month to month with a card. Just click this link. Or if you go down to the description, you can click this link to the website. If you have any questions or you need to email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. We'll get you on the team today. Here's Badger setup. Badger up 151%. This person got 120% profits. I mean, imagine doubling your money. I always want you guys to set alerts. There's no way any one person can watch everything going on in this market. This person, he had his 2,000 alert limit reached on Tradingview. There's a Tradingview link in the description. Fear and greed index. Market is greedy. This market likes to take the most amount of money from the most amount of people, right? Greed. Watch out for greed. I'm watching this 1 hour chart. Remember, if this bearish retest gets confirmed and this support level breaks 43,770, you're looking for some downside based on this idea. Okay, so pay attention to Bitcoin. So the hash ribbons indicator has given a buy signal. And so let's see. I mean, there's been a few buy signals given ever, right? Probably a handful, 12, 14 right here. Okay, now it doesn't happen immediately. A lot of times there's a delay, like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Okay, there can be a delay. Sometimes you had pullbacks right after, right? These are the max drawdowns. So after the buy signal is given, had an 8% pullback, a 3% pullback, a 1% pullback. This is one where maybe this was the anomaly where it didn't play out. 45% pullback and then 47% gains. So it didn't really equate to huge moves, right? So again, we're all about probabilities, statistics, and playing the percentages. So you can see the drawdowns here. Like it didn't mean immediate pump action. It didn't mean moon mission tomorrow, right? There were some pullbacks involved. But let's look at the max gain. What did happen after these signals? Okay, so it happened December the 20th, 238% gains. July 20th, 114% gains. 36% gains here, 47% gains here, 283%. But then look at these, 3,100, 8,000, 8,000. This is 80x, 80x. 84x, 57x, 41x, 52x. Listen, just give me 100% or 200% gains on Bitcoin and see what happens to this market, right? What's going to happen to all the altcoins? What's going to happen to this FOMO rally run up? Okay, so look, these are, again, marked with these vertical lines. These are hash ribbon buy signals, right? You can see nice run up, huge pullback, nice run up, nice run up, nice run up, nice run up. I mean, it's real good at nailing some big moves. This move here ran up to, $20,000. Like, this is really good. So again, this is big picture. Don't be stressed. You get Bitcoin pullbacks. Okay. Well, guess what? One of the most accurate buy signals in the history of Bitcoin that I'm familiar with has just given a buy signal. But like I said, there's a delay. If we're able to get in on a Bitcoin pullback, that would be even better. That would be even sweeter. Want to get in on the pullback, buy at a support pullback. I mean, if it breaks out, goes higher, 47,000, we just have to see, right? Trading's not predicting, but understand things look a lot better than they did just a couple months ago. Real quick, I just want to run through these just so you guys see this. Like for me, like I want to give you guys these setups, but like there's so much of a delay with YouTube. And so here's Hedgic. I posted it on Twitter. Follow me there, cryptobtc_Chris. Right? I posted this. This person said too late, and it was up 6%. And then I posted something right after that saying, well, It was up 6%. Like I post these immediately, posted in group, posted on Twitter, and this thing just started pumping. Crazy, right? Look at Hedgic. It went up 24%. Is it really too late? I said, if you got in at 6% and it pumped, I'm like in 30 minutes, we're talking 30 minutes. Solid gains, just keep compounding profits, 24% gains on this guy. Hedgic posted on Twitter, Bitcoin dominance. Okay, listen, when this thing starts trending lower, you're going to consider buying and holding some altcoins, okay? And so right now, Bitcoin's had a pullback and this is bouncing. So that's not amazing for altcoins, right? That's the worst case scenario for altcoins. So we want to see this trend lower and these altcoins get super easy to trade. And so people even have a trading strategy where they only trade altcoins when this is trending lower. This is SHIB. Like I posted this in group and immediately, like within minutes, up, boom, up 19%. Right? Look, this is NFT dominance. So we're looking for, let's get a bull pennant out of this NFT dominance and then start thinking about what NFTs look good. Because I mean, if this, what you have here is you've got a falling wedge on the RSI, right? You got a falling wedge on the RSI. So this continues right now. This is cooling off up here. It's cooling off, cooling off, cooling off, right? This is trending lower. So when this gets to oversold territory, potentially you get a breakout here and then we go big on NFTs. We got to follow the money flow. We got to follow the money flow. That's what this is about. You want to be in the coins where the money is flowing. You ever been in a coin that's just sitting there doing nothing? You just want to poke it with a stick, right? But everything else is just pumping crazy. Like, are the small caps pumping? Are the large caps? Is it NFTs? Is it DeFi? Is it, you know, coins with news? There's so many things that I've learned by teaching you guys that have made me super successful trading this market. Like these little KDA on Kucoin. Make a Kucoin account right now. Follow me on Twitter. Kucoin account. The link is in the description. These little tiny small cap coins on Kucoin, they break out. And look at this setup. Perfect inverse head and shoulders, right? Look, boom, 19% gains like in minutes. In minutes, right? This was posted in group, not on Twitter, but OXT USD on Coinbase and Binance. Right, broke out, boom, up 42%. I try to time them so when I post them, they're going to move, right? But for you guys, I have to think way ahead. Like, okay, people are going to see this, and I have to go with heavier coins sometimes. And part of this video is we've got amazing things happening in crypto. And then I need to get these ideas and these signals out to you guys faster, so Twitter works well at, right? For, you know, longer term stuff, obviously YouTube is going to be amazing as well. Like we nailed ETH. It took some time for ETH to play out like it did, but I gave you guys the ETH setup multiple times in the video. So we just have to, it's go time, right? When this market, you know, Bitcoin pullback or not, right? When this market of these altcoins start to take off, right? You have to be able to get in these coins quickly. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.